The modern world is characterized by rapid technological advancements, and with it comes a plethora of opportunities for individuals to earn a living in the digital space. For stay-at-home parents who are seeking ways to earn money online while enjoying flexible hours, learning to code can be a game changer. This video delves into various beginner-friendly coding ideas that will empower stay-at-home parents to achieve financial independence without sacrificing the time they spend with their families. 1. Web design and development. One of the most accessible fields for beginner coders is web design and development. With a plethora of online resources and tutorials, parents can quickly acquire the necessary skills to build and maintain websites. As a web developer, you can offer your services to small businesses and bloggers, or even create your own portfolio of websites that generate passive income through advertising or affiliate marketing. 2. App development. The ever-growing mobile app market presents an excellent opportunity for stay-at-home parents to venture into app development. By learning programming languages like Swift for iOS or Kotlin for Android, you can create apps that address specific needs or solve common problems. You can monetize your apps through in-app purchases, subscriptions, or ads, which will create a steady income stream. 3. Freelance programming. As a freelance programmer, you can work on a variety of projects, ranging from fixing bugs to developing new features for existing software. With platforms like Upwork and Freelancer, you can easily find jobs that match your skills and desired income level. Plus, the flexible nature of freelancing allows you to work around your family's schedule. 4. Online teaching and tutoring. If you enjoy teaching, you can use your coding knowledge to create online courses or provide tutoring services. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera offer opportunities to create and sell courses, while websites like Wyzant and Tutor.com connect you with students who need one-on-one help. As an online instructor or tutor, you have the flexibility to set your hours and rates. 5. Blogging and content creation. Combining your coding expertise with excellent writing skills can lead to a successful career in blogging and content creation. You can create a blog that focuses on coding tutorials, reviews of programming tools, or industry news. Monetize your blog through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or selling your own digital products like ebooks or online courses. Stay-at-home parents have numerous options when it comes to earning money online with flexible hours. By diving into the world of coding and exploring various opportunities such as web development, app creation, freelancing, teaching, and content creation, you can establish a thriving career that allows you to maintain a healthy work-life balance. The key is to stay curious, be persistent, and continually invest in your education and skill set. With dedication and effort, you can create a fulfilling and profitable career from the comfort of your own home.